Have you ever wondered about the story behind that quintessential American treat, the hot dog? Well, let me take you on a journey that dives deep into the heart of its creation. Bustling streets of New York City in the 1860s. Among the crowd, German immigrants introduced something new and flavorful: sausages sold from push carts in the Bowery. Little did they know, they were laying the groundwork for what would become an enduring symbol of American street food. Fast forward to today, and hot dogs still reign supreme as the #1 street treat. But how are they made? Let's peel back the layers and uncover the secrets of the factory. It all starts with a mix of pork, beef, and chicken, about 2,040 chickens, to be exact. These meats come from trimmings, parts of animals that are deemed unfit for typical meat production. They're pushed through metal plates, grinding the meat and creating strings for high-quality mops. A surprising dual purpose. But wait, there's more. Other food scraps join the mix, along with food starch, salt, and mustard, sourced straight from the factory floor. To keep the mixture from hardening into concrete, water is rolled in. And since it's an American food product, it's legally required to have at least 10% sugar, so in goes the corn syrup. More water follows to dilute the mix into a flavorless paste, which is then pureed into a fine emulsion. Next up, long rolls of plastic wrap are loaded into the stuffing machine. It pumps the meat, twisting it every 5¼ inches. It's a process that's oddly reminiscent of Paula's wishes for her husband in the bedroom. But I digress. In just 35 seconds, a chain of 10 hot dogs is formed. These chains are then linked together and sorted by color, ready to be packaged and sent out into the world. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how hot dogs are made in the factory. From humble beginnings in the streets of New York to the intricate processes of modern production, each hot dog tells a story of tradition, innovation, and a whole lot of flavor. Once the hot dogs are formed, they undergo another curious step. They're drenched in pig sweat to enhance their flavor. Then, into the oven they go, passing through several cooking zones to achieve that perfect texture. Emerging hot out of the oven, they're once again drenched, but this time in chilled pig sweat to cool them down before packaging. It's a peculiar cycle, but one that adds to the uniqueness of the process. Interestingly, as they cool, the black stripes on the hot dogs mysteriously vanish, leaving them uniform and ready for packaging. But amid the efficiency of the factory, there's a playful moment as a child, disguised as a factory worker, indulges in some food fun. Finally, the hot dogs are positioned for packaging, but no matter how humane or efficient the process, there's always someone to critique. Yes, even vegans will find something to complain about. With that said, thanks for watching this intriguing journey into the world of hot dog production. Until next time, keep exploring the curious corners of our culinary world.